Hello, we are at David's Stove Shop in Texas. This is the place that many people, including me, heard rumors about as having the last of the Encon Crompton Greaves fans, and as you can see here, that is true. Unfortunately, the ones hanging up are not for sale. I already tried, but if you still want to see some and you're in Texas, this would be the place to come. There's also a lot of other cool stuff here. I'm going to try to capture as much of it as I can on a video. So let me do a brief video tour. Do you know how to turn this on?
It doesn't.
It doesn't?
No, it's not. I don't think it's just a thing. I don't know where that was not connected to.
I see it. I found it. Let me try. I might be wrong though. Let's see. Yeah.
Those are our switches too.
This is a fan switch.
I don't know if it's connected.
There we go. Found it.
It may blow a fuse, don't know. Everything's really old.
Okay. Well, we don't want her to worry, so we'll turn that one back off. Yeah, David was telling me that he at some point needs to come through here and go through and figure out where all the switches are because he forgot.
David's such off. Just like it.
So far, so good. You want me to turn them off when I'm done so we don't blow a fuse? Okay.
We have people that walk through here and don't see them
Oh.
and they might get chopped up.
Oh, we don't want that. I don't think she was informed that I was going to be doing this, but that's okay. So, I'm looking around for the switches. This room is interesting because that one's 48 inch. That one's got metal blades. I begged him to sell me one with metal blades and he wouldn't. I don't see the switches at all in here. I'll look in his office. No. I'm doing my little video before we really hang down to work. I don't suppose you know where the switches are to these, do you?
I don't.
I found the ones for in there, but David said he forgot where they were.
Well, I have all the light switches on that I know. So.
Yeah. Aha. Nope, those are just regular switches.
No, that's all the lights. These
Okay.
are here. The other one lights up.
Well, then this room, they don't get to see them spin, but that's okay. There's plenty of others.
Yeah. I don't think he's ever had them on. So, well, I've been here 14 years. I've never seen them work.
That's true. These don't have as much dust on the blades as the other ones either.
No, we try to keep it clean.
Well, the ones that are used, there's no way to avoid it.
Yeah.
But, okay, so I forgot to count. I was going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 so far. He said 10. He was low on the count. Here's a Century. I don't know if this is for sale or not. I have enough Centuries. Let's see if it's powered on. How about that? Nope. Oh, yes. Yes. Gotta leave that one on because that... This is from 1910. Okay. There's a whole nother room I gotta find. It's just amazing here. I looked, I mean, I didn't look thoroughly because I'm filming. I looked for the switches for the ones in that room with the metal one. I couldn't find them either.
I think they're behind those inserts in the closet back there.
Oh, I found the ones in the front room, but it kind of scared the woman that was working up there. She's not used to seeing them on, so I turned them off real quick.
Okay.
But I'll look again if I have time to see. I didn't see them behind the, but I didn't look too far behind the inserts.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, no, I just wanted to show it in the video.
Oh, yeah.
Because, again, this is kind of my come see David's if you want to see the last remaining Encon Crompton Greaves fans video. So, and I'm glad that you're keeping that Century, the other Century, because that turning that on came right on.
Oh, yeah. You know, that guy that we were talking back and forth to.
Hold on.
Hello?
Eric Carter. I'm just making sure I try my best to remember everybody's names. So. It's interesting that these have ball socket canopies on it. That's obviously not factory. Okay, well that'll be the end of this portion of the video for now. If I have time, I will film some more. I got a lot going on, but I just wanted to do a quick video showing that I got that one on like a medium high maybe, and this one on low. I definitely, the switches are here, but that switch is on high, and the fan is on high on the pull chain, so I don't know why it's going so slow. Unless the switch is in reverse. Let me try that. That might be just what the high is on that one. Some of these are slow and some of them are not, so. Okay, I gotta get back to work. I don't know if I'm gonna have a chance to make any more content here before I leave, so this is just the goodbye, and thanks for watching. It has been a long day. I will show you the fan shop. I heard rumors about there being a huge gold mine of fans back here, and it was not quite like that, but what's up, Jamie?
Oh, there you are.
Filming. What's up?
Hello. Finishing up
Jamie.
Finishing up the last box right now. With some bubble wrap.
Jamie and Janelle and Logan have been my road team for this trip. So here's what we're leaving behind. There's a collector that's coming to get these Casablancas. There's a collector that's coming to get these original motors. This is the fan shop. And there's the blades for the originals. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and of course, bye Fanstick. So here's one of the private offices. These lights I thought were really cool.
See, Janelle, this is what you have to look forward to.
There's Janelle with the cool cash register.
I'm trying to get to the cash register.
Oh, dang. I didn't even see that yet. I didn't even get down to the floor level yet.
Okay.
Yeah, I've always wanted one of them too. My friend's mom.
Store is closed, but I got the last one on here. Thanks for watching.